Automower is designed to work around obstacles, even in complex lawns. If a paved driveway divides your yard, you can set the Automower to maneuver around the driveway or cross the driveway as part of your main mowing area. If your yard has separate sections separated by narrow passages of about 6 feet or less, create separate paths for each remote area of your yard using the guide wire. Or you can create a path around the fenced-in area and carry the Automower to the separate sections of your yard. In the menu, you can set how often the Automower should go to the separated areas of your yard. There are 3 ways to manage sidewalks in your installation. First, you can include it completely, and the mower will drive over it just like the rest of the lawn. Second, if you want to limit the mower's sidewalk crossing to one area, you can create a passageway over the sidewalk and treat the grass on the other side as a remote area. Third, if you don't want your mower to drive on the sidewalk at all, you can create a secondary area on the other side and carry the mower to the area manually. So when you're looking for a mower that's hard to beat on complex lawns, make the easy choice. Automower from Husqvarna.
You can find the link to this product in the video description below.
By what magic?
It's not magic, Bob. It's the WORX Landroid.
A fully automated personal greenskeeper that keeps my yard perfectly trimmed 24/7, no matter where I am.
Nice job, buddy. High five. With the Landroid, you just set it and forget it.
Just mount the charging base. Establish your perimeter.
Take your 20-volt 4-amp power share battery, which works with all the tools in the brand.
Pop them in once, and voila! Your Landroid will recharge itself automatically.
And with the Landroid app, the Landroid measures your yard and suggests a mowing schedule all on its own. Or you can manually adjust settings and track your progress, all from the palm of your hand.
The Landroid comes in 2 versions, for either a quarter or half-acre yard. The Landroid can climb hills up to 20 degrees.
Hell yeah!
And it's water repellent.
But my yard is full of flower beds, pets, children, squirrels.
Not to worry. This Yard 2D2 has anti-collision system capabilities to avoid running over anything you don't want to mow.
And its offset microblades ensure closer edge cutting for everything you do.
The Landroid knows its boundaries, and it's ultra quiet, unlike your nosy neighbor.
With a no questions asked satisfaction guarantee and a 3-year warranty, you can feel confident about stepping into the future of lawn care. And hurry, your grass is growing as we speak.
Where do I get one?
Go to Amazon, Bob.
To get your own personal greenskeeper and check mowing off your to-do list for good.
future, and we want the whole world to feel it. There are no rules. All it takes to garden is the passion to do so. Realize your gardening dreams. GARDENA.